Meghalaya Post.news.
Karibhoy District Yoga Sana Sport Association berangkat ke Yoga Cell Karibhoy College mentaka sengi gelar kelpa ya ke International Yoga Day Karibhoy College. Kablong si benta bani snok tilang haka pertehi berokwe alor gaji mentoy na benta ka khoj kya ba. Ya kene gaji ngerke ya ke International Yoga Day la si benta naka Ayushi Pradhan kabade ke edisi Karibhoy District kum ka kongsan balasa kilang ru da ke jindon lang ka kong N Fairly Nita Sun kabade ka Social Welfare Officer Karibhoy District ka Principal Karibhoy College ka kong Elizabeth Harkungor Michael Mate District Youth Officer Kamara Yuba Bharat Kinong hikay bat kisamla puli ketika college rengkat kinong kitkam Karibhoy District Yoga Sana Sport Association. Kaayushi Pradhan habakren hakan sikum kekusan kalau baka jingile kay yoga ketika way na jingile kay kilanmet ba jing ko jingkya ya kinong susnong kari. Bat kadairu ka jingile kay kabla itu abro kiri ka perthei ha ka balada ngile kay minyo sisya ki jing mentoy ha ka kot kya bat ha ka perkhat perdain.
Physically, mentally, and for the overall personality development. When we look at the physical benefit, we can see that through yoga, it can really reduce stress and anxiety. As students, it is very, very stressful for you to come to college every day, listen to teachers' lectures, taking down notes. And there are so many techniques that yoga has. The breathing technique, the mindfulness in yoga help calm your mind. And not only that, it improves your focus and concentration. It is very helpful because through this, it can really boost memory and your cognitive function. And it also enhances your emotional regulation. All these together will really build up your mental health. And the physical benefit include improve flexibility and posture. You are sitting now in a very, very posture that we have never had in this college. I think this is your first time attending the yoga program. Yes or no? Have you been sitting like this in your classroom? No. It really helps you a lot. Yes or no? So, it really increases your strength and stamina. It promotes different postures that are being that are part of the guidance of the yoga exercise.
I was able to study under such stressful situations, so I had personally benefited from yoga. So it was just a 15 minutes investment, but I feel it has in some or the other way, it has changed my way of looking things. So therefore, I recommend that each and every one of us should give at least 30 minutes or 20 minutes, if not 50. To yoga. You don't require to go to any expensive gym or anything. You just require a simple yoga mat and you just require a few basic practices. You can have a lot of YouTube videos also nowadays where they properly guide you regarding the steps of yoga. So I think each and every one of us should take a mindful decision that we practice yoga on a daily basis. So as we know that yoga has its tradition from our ancient Indian wisdom. And by lot of efforts has also been taken by the government of India, the Ministry of Ayush to revive yoga. So I really feel that we all of us has the responsibility to ensure that our ancient wisdom is not lost and the benefits of those ancient wisdom we should reap it till today. In this regard, I would like to thank the Reboy District Yogasana Sports Association for recognizing the importance of yoga. I would like to thank the Reboy College and the Health and Hygiene Cell for their thoughtful collaboration. Today's event, I think, is very much far-reaching. So let us not see this Yoga Day just as a one-time observance, but let us see it as a starting point of a daily commitment, however small, to our physical, mental, and emotional health.
Meghalaya Post.news.